no?
I was so surprised with her reaction.
Mhm.
Because I was, if you're representing government,
Mhm.
you're par for the course. I
Mhm.
mean, I wasn't attacking her. I was just asking data. I was
Mhm.
just asking what's happening,
Mhm.
right? And as a presidential information officer, press information officer, you're supposed to give data,
Mhm.
say the official line,
Mhm.
and not do much of propaganda.
Mhm. Mhm.
So I was really surprised because she was answering as if the question was directed at her
Mhm.
as a person.
Mhm. So she took it personally.
Yes,
And it was
yes.
nothing personal.
Yes, and spokes shouldn't be balat sibuyas, no? Di ba? That's your job. You pick the job. You
Mhm.
need to explain to
Mhm.
the public.
But how are you now? How was it before, after the ano? Anong naging kwentuhan nyo after the...
Wala naman sa akin, no harm, no foul. Ika
No harm,
nga,
no-
nung era ni Jaworski, no harm, no foul, no? Pero dinagdagan pa eh. Sinabi niya dun sa isang interview niya, who is Malutikia,
Hmm.
you can just Google me, you can
Ah.
just do an AI, and it's as if I am not trained into communications and messaging.
Mhm.
And in all my professional life, I have been doing that.
Mhm. Mhm.
When you manage and run, design campaigns, invariably you are doing messaging
Mhm.
and communication. So,
That's right.
you know.
Siguro ako naman nakita ko lang siguro she's been, maybe it's all part of the stress also, no?
Mhm, mhm.
On the other hand naman, I understand how she got probably picked
Mhm.
with the question. It's nothing personal actually. That's what I think, Yusek Claire. Pero siguro because of what's happening in, siguro baka even prior to that, maybe nasabihan na siya na, kayo may alam ng kung nasaan, di ba? And she, hindi niya na siguro alam din kung bakit, and...
But Jojo, you have to be
Above the situation.
Yeah, you have to be conscious of your role.
Yeah.
Kasi you're representing an institution.
Mhm.
So, katulad mo, your demeanor,
Mhm.
your tonality,
Mhm.
the way you react on issues, very calm.
Mhm.
Kasi that adds more meaning to what you're going to share to the public.
Mhm. Mhm. Well, but you handled it very well also, even, invoking the, of respect to this program. That's well,
when
that
you're
was
a
well.
guest,
Yes, it
wag mo
was,
naman bardagulan tayo sa show ng iba, di ba?
So, magandang buhay sa'yo, Yusek Claire. So, easy lang tayo. Cool
easy
lang tayo.
lang.
Easy lang.
Kaya nga ang
tayo.
tawag ko sa kanya, BFF.
BFF.
So apparently, even my friends in the media were saying, "Oy, kamusta na yung BFF mo?" "Oy, okay naman siya." Diba?